The feed rate seems optimal on the number 2 line. Yes, the hydraulic pressure is holding steady.
Look at the pressure reading here, it's too low. I see it. I'll recalibrate the compression rollers. The brushes are maintaining optimal RPMs. Good, the residue levels are dropping significantly after the air compression stage. The pressure on gauge 3 is spiking higher than the baseline.
Let's reduce the flow rate slightly and monitor the drum rotation.
As you can see on the panel, the automated system is holding the moisture content steady at 12%.
Excellent work.
Here in the grading department, high-resolution scanners analyze every fiber for fineness and strength.
The tension on the third roller is slightly high.
It's still within the acceptable variance for the banana fiber.
Check the uniformity data on line 3. Looks good, all parameters are well within tolerance.
Look at the weave pattern here. It's slightly irregular at the edge. I see it. I'll rerun the scan on sector 4 and check the threshold.
The banana fiber fabric enters the continuous washing machine, where high-pressure systems remove natural oils and processing residues. The readout shows consistent heat distribution across all rollers, and the dimensional stability is precisely what we aimed for. This batch is running perfectly.
Look at this reading on the defect detection right here.
I see it. Adjusting the parameters now. It seems within tolerance.
Check the fiber alignment on panel 3. Looks good, we're maintaining optimal smoothness.
The banana fiber is precisely coated with our eco-friendly softening agents, ensuring uniform absorption across the line.
All right, bring it back slowly. Watch your left side. Looks good, set it down right there.
Here at the inspection station, our laser-guided RTVs collect the approved banana fiber fabric, ensuring efficient transport through the facility.
Automated transfer sequence active. Pallet 7G. Proceed to loading bay 3. Priority shipment.
Are the manifests aligning with the RFID data?
Yes, the automated verification is green across the board.
Platform B, confirm position 4R.
Confirmed. Data aligned with stability parameters.
Bring up the next pallet, forklift A.
Inventory levels on line 3 are fluctuating again.
Reroute the next shipment to the eastern hub to compensate. The banana fiber journey begins here. Automated systems transform raw stems into finished textile rolls in one continuous, high-tech process.